Welcome back to the course. In this lecture, we have to look at the tables. Okay, how you can create tables. First of all, let me explain what is the purpose of table. Okay, table actually contain the rows and columns. Okay, and rows and columns contain different kind of information called records. Okay, for example, like this. These are the names of the person. These are the jobs. Okay, these are, let's say, these are the ages of the person. Okay, so the purpose of the table is they contain different types of records. Okay, so how you can create it in HTML. So let's jump into like so. Sorry for the other file. So first of all, you have to create a table tag. Okay, and give it the attribute of width, to specify the width. Okay, and say this is gonna be, it's up to you. It's gonna be, for my case, it's gonna be 50%. Don't exceed with 100%. Okay, and the border gonna be 3. Now we have to create a table row. Okay, I hope that you will understand what is row. And then the table header. Okay, and say this is gonna be names. Another table header, th, and this is gonna be edges. What is headers? Let me explain. Okay, so this is table. Okay, this is gonna be the name. Okay, and this is gonna be the edges, and this is gonna be the record. Okay, now you have to create another table row. Okay, now save it and refresh it. You can see the names and edges. Okay, not, this is not gonna be edges, this is gonna be edge. Okay, okay, so it makes sense now. And table td, and say Mr. X, and td, let's say td gonna import your record, okay, to the table, or generally you can say the table description. Okay, and the edge gonna be 32. Now copy this piece of code, another row, and Mr. Z, and 34. And now let's copy it a couple of times like so. Okay, and let's refresh it. Now you can see this contain different kind of things. Okay, now you can do many things more with it by adding some attributes. I can say that still, or you can do it by yourself. This is gonna be your project. Okay, just search for the attributes related to these tables, like cell padding, call span, like so. Okay, and you will explore it more by, you can just ignore these things and put it and randomly, just by deleting this or something like that. Okay, so just play with these things, and I hope that it will help you. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.